out there, hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Piyasi and this video is specifically for all the women out there who love their hair as much as I do, and we are always worried about the split ends, we are worried about our trims, haircuts. So this video is going to be a lifesaver for you guys. New to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm so excited to talk about the new L'Oreal Paris hair care range, which is the Dream Length hair care range. So this particular range consists of 3 products: the shampoo, this is the Dream Length shampoo, the conditioner, which is again the Dream Length conditioner, and the star product, you guys, wait for it. Star product is their Dream Length no haircut cream. We are going to talk about it in detail. I'm going to tell you everything about this product and why you need this in your life right now. So we all know that it is such a pain for us to go for hair trimming every 2-3 months, and we are always worried about the split ends and what we should do to take care of them, and we spend so many days, years thinking about that one product that can change our life. And here it is. The star product, L'Oreal Paris has launched their Dream Length Hair Care No Haircut Cream. This product is all about the split ends, and you can save up to 3 centimeters of your hair, guys. So this particular product is used in your last 3 centimeters of your hair, and you can just apply it. I'm going to show you how we apply it, and also it is a leave-in cream, so you can just leave in and style your hair, and you can go wherever you want to. So usually we have seen that our crown area, the hair over here, is quite strong, but when you come down towards the tip of your hair, it becomes really dry and flaky and split ends and whatnot, right? So this particular cream is one of its kind because it focuses on the tips of your hair, and this strengthens lengths and tips and also seals the split ends. So this product has 3-star ingredients, which is the castor oil. Castor oil is very healthy for your hair. You must have heard so many DIYs regarding the castor oil, right? This particular cream has that particular oil. Second is vitamins. Vitamins is really important for your hair. Again, this product has all the vitamins that your hair needs. And the third is keratin. This has the vegetal keratin, which is very healthier and very important for your hair. The best thing about this cream, which I read and I was literally shocked, was this haircut cream is perfect to use just before your hair dryer or straightener because it also protects. It's a heat protection, you guys. I mean, so the claims of this particular product is it is paraben free, sulfate free, which is again really good for any hair care range, and I'm glad that L'Oreal Paris has taken care of that. So I will show you how to use this. So this is the bottle, and this is the 200 ml bottle, and this is the tip of the bottle. You just kind of squeeze it out like this. Just squeeze it out and you can see the product coming out, right? So we'll just take a little bit of it, like this much. So this is the consistency, you guys. You can see it's very thick. Just kind of mix it, just apply it on your palms, and then just use it on tips, only the 3 centimeters of your last 3 centimeters of your hair. Just apply it really nicely, and it should be good. You can use it on your dry hair, wet hair, before you use your hair dryer, straightener, any curling devices, appliances. I really like how my hair stays after using this particular product. My hairs are not flying anywhere, it's on place. So I really like the product. It's a great product and great introduction by L'Oreal Paris. So I'll provide the link in the description box below. Go check them out. Buy this shampoo, conditioner and the star product, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. This particular product, not only you can use it with the Dream Length hair care range, but also you can use it with other L'Oreal Paris shampoos and conditioner or hair range. So guys, you yourself saw the before and after pictures, and you can imagine how much nicer it makes. I really like the product, and I'm definitely going to recommend you guys to use the product. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you did, then please don't forget to like and comment, and also share it with your friends. And also I'll come up soon with more such videos and vlogs, so keep subscribing, keep loving, and stay safe guys.